Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro or 10 Pro Max Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth connection problem. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So to fix Bluetooth connection problem or pairing problem in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro or Note 10 Pro Max, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Also this will fix your problem.